Jadi I was really interested at the time she came to me with her research proposal title ya. Apa sih yang menarik dari proposal skripsinya yang kemarin tuh bisa diceritakan nih. Can you tell me about it?
Ya, judul saya The Effect of Using Ome TV
Okay.
as Online Interactive Media to Improving Student Speaking Ability.
Okay.
Jadi di sini judul saya adalah peranannya adalah Ome TV. Di mana Ome TV itu saya mau membuat siswa untuk meningkatkan speaking skill-nya, lebih percaya diri, karena biasanya kan orang tuh nggak percaya diri karena bertemu langsung. Dengan adanya Ome TV ini mereka bisa tatap muka melalui speaking dengan orang luar negeri.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable all who attend are in this room. Now I will present my thesis presentation with the title is The Effect of Using Ome TV as the Online Interactive Media to Improve Student Speaking Ability. Thesis by Fadila Haya, Advisor Ashari Peswondo M. Hum, Examiner 1, Heti Jaharani M. Hum, Examiner 2, Julena M.Si. Chapter 1. The background of the study. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic has paralyzed almost all sectors in the world, including Indonesia, resulting in lack of direct student learning interaction. But, in the current era of globalization requires the younger generation to develop their potential. One of them is the mastery of speaking English, because speaking is an important skill that must be mastered by students as an international language whose role is very important in the world. By using interactive media is a very complex media that combines several media elements involving text, graphics, images, photos, audio, video, and animation, so as to make students interested in learning. So, utilizing Ome TV as online media can support students in understanding English learning material. The problem of the study. In relation of the background of the study, the problem was formatted as follows. Is there any significant effect of using Ome TV is the online interactive media to improve student speaking ability? The objective of the study. The objective of the study is to find out whether using Ome TV is the online interactive media significantly affects student speaking ability. The scope and limitation. There are many online interactive media that can be used for the purpose of improving student speaking ability, but in the study, the writer only focused on the use of Ome TV as online interactive media Ome TV to improve student speaking ability. The significance of the study. The significance of this research can be beneficial theoretically and particularly for the teacher, the student, other research, and social media user. Chapter 2. Ome TV is a popular alternative platform for randomly connecting students with foreigners via web camera from all over the world. This site was created by 18 years old. The creator of Ome TV is the Lev K. Brooks of Brattleboro, Vermont, and launched on March 25, 2009. By using this learning online media, it was not only done in the classroom, but can be done wherever students are, and student does not have to confuse or travel to tourist attraction or museum because of their desire to improve their English speaking skill with foreigners. Chapter 3. Research Design. In this study, writer uses quantitative research. By using experimental research in the study, there are two variables, namely the independent variable and the dependent variable, where the independent variable is learning strategy using OMTV, and the dependent variable is the student speaking ability. Experimental research uses two groups, namely the control class using conventional methods and the experimental class using media online OMTV. Sample. There are 60 students for the sample. The researcher take two classes uses to class 10 MIA 1 and 10 MIA 2 as the class research sample. For experimental class consists 30 students and for the control class consists 30 students. Chapter 4. The descriptive of the data. Quantitative data collection use OMTV as an interactive media in learning by giving tests to the experimental class and the control class, obtained at the pre-test and post-test. The writer analyzed the speaking performance based on 5 indicators of English used in scoring rubric system, scale 1 until 5. Each speaker is given a score based on 3 raters. Control class. The score obtained from the pre-test and post-test control classes were 1,565 and 2,135 and had a mean pre-test score of 52.16 and post-test 71.16. Experimental class. The score obtained for the pre-test and post-test experimental classes and had a mean pre-test score of 65 and post-test of 84.83. This is a control and experimental table where the control class had the lowest pre-test score 40 and the highest score is 60, while the lowest post-test score is 65 and highest is 80. This is table experimental class. The experimental class had a lowest pre-test score of 55 and the highest score was 70, while the lowest post-test score was 70 and the highest was 100. The fulfillment of statistical assumption. Researchers calculated the data using SPSS, Statistical Picking for the Socialization version 25. Based on the calculation SPSS, researchers had obtained the result of validity, reliability, normality, homogeneity, and t-test. Validity test. Based on the result of the validity test using the product moment formula in SPSS, there are significant and valid values. This value is compared with the R table value in the 5% significant table with the N two-sided test and the R table of 0.3061, which was tested using 20 questions from 30 students. Reliability test. Testing instrument is done to find valid and reliable. The researcher concluded that from the result of the reliability calculation, the researcher obtained the result pre-test of Cronbach's alpha. And the result post-test 930 of Cronbach's alpha. It means that the pre-test and post-test instrument were reliable and less than 0.60. Normality. Based on the result of the pre-test and post-test normality calculation in the experimental class 0.014 greater than 0.05, the control class 0.011 greater than 0.05, and the pre-test post-test in the experimental class 0.015 greater than 0.05, the control class 0.011 greater than 0.05. The results show that is significant and is declared normal because greater than 0.5. Homogeneity. Homogeneity tests whose results were carried out after the normality test. The data is said to be homogeneous if the significant value is greater than 0.05. And based on the result obtained, there is a significance of the two classes of pre-test and post-test. The significance is 0.798, 0.05. Therefore, the data obtained is said to be homogeneous from the result of the analysis. Hypothesis. Based on the result of the t-test, the value was obtained to tilt is smaller than the significant level of 0.00, less than 0.05, and obtain the value of DF58 at a significant level of 0.05, and in group statistic, the average value of the experimental class from the post-test was 18. Greater than 66.70 in the control class post-test. The t-test is higher the t-table. Therefore, null hypothesis H0 was rejected. The alternative hypothesis HA was accepted. It can conclude that based on the table result, there were a significant difference between the effect of using OmeTV as the online interactive media in the experimental class to improve student speaking ability. Chapter 5, Conclusion. After analyzing the data, it is known the data speaking ability of students with OmeTV media can increase and evaluate each test given. The researcher analyzed the data using t-test. From the result of statistical calculation through SPSS obtained the value of 70818 and the value of the F58 at a significance of 0.00 less than 0.05. It can be concluded that the OmeTV application media has a significant effect on improving student speaking skill. Suggestion. The first, for teacher, it is recommended in learning English conversation in order to have interesting techniques to teach students by using online media that are processed particularly in improving student speaking skill. Second, for students who are learning conversation, hopefully this study can be used as the reference for them to improve their speaking skill. And the last, for the researcher who are interested to conduct such study, hopefully this study can be used as the reference to enrich their research. Thank you. That's all my presentation.